Merry Christmas morning activities, Mason.
Mallory, every time you say Christmas, it makes me think of the Christmas cookies.
Good thing Maggie's teaching us how to make Christmas cookies in the bistro today.
Oh my gosh, we have to go. Let's check it out.
Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Sam, this is Maggie, and today we're making the Camp Ozark Christmas cookies.
Today we're gonna go over the ingredients first, and then we're gonna mix them all together and make the cookies. So we have flour, salt, baking soda, powdered sugar, regular sugar, butter, vanilla, 1 egg, and some shortening. So Sam's gonna take all of our dry ingredients, so flour, salt, and baking soda, and mix those all together and use a whisk to make sure we get all the lumps out. And then I'm gonna take all of the wet ingredients and the sugar and cream that together in this bowl. And you're gonna wanna make sure that your butter and shortening have been sitting out so they're at room temperature so they're easy to cream together. Once you're done mixing, it's gonna look like this. You wanna make sure that you have no clumps of butter or shortening in it and it's very smooth. Now, I'm gonna add my mixture to Sam's mixture. Now, we're gonna mix everything together and you should get a dough consistency. Okay, it may seem a little flaky, so what you're gonna wanna do is put down your spoon and use your hands and pack it together to make a dough-type material. Now, you're gonna take an ice cream scoop or a spoon and take your dough and scoop it just like this and then put it on your baking sheet. And then you're gonna take 2 fingers and press it down just a little bit so the cookies cook evenly. You're gonna continue this until your baking sheet is full. Now that the cookies are all scooped out, we're gonna put them in the oven on 350 for 15 minutes.
Now it's time for my favorite part, the icing.
You're gonna take some shortening, some powdered sugar, some butter, and a little bit of milk, which you wanna add gradually so it's not too liquidy. We're gonna use a mixer, but you also can use a spoon. Now it's time to ice the cookies. You want to make sure that you let your cookies cool completely before you ice them so that icing doesn't melt off. So what you're going to do is you're going to take one of your cookies and a little bit of icing on your spoon. And then you're going to take the icing and you're going to put it right on top of the cookie. You can put as little or as much as you like. Sam likes just a little bit. Then you're gonna take your iced cookie and you're gonna turn it upside down and dip it into a plate or bowl of sprinkles. And then it's gonna look like this. You're gonna keep going until all of the cookies are iced and have sprinkles on them.
Ooh, I'm so excited to try one of these. Can I have one?
Yeah, of course.
Sweet, I'm gonna have this one.
Good, because I wanted this one.
Enjoy.
My favorite part of the Christmas cookies are the sprinkles, especially the red and green for Christmas.
Well, my favorite part is the whole thing.